So these are the bars. Generic pit bike bars. But they got the swoop we like. At least I think. Let's get all this stuff off the stock bars. Starting with this Kemi Moto bag. Link below. Easy enough. Velcro straps. I'd show you what's inside, but don't smoke. Naughty.
Bruh.
Oh. Oh, that certainly ain't fitting in there. Let's hope we don't have to undo this one a bunch of times because it's stripped. Man.
Is it stripped?
Yeah. It already was before I got here.
So how do you even put it back on?
Yeah, it's so these things happen. Not the random e-bikes in the living room. That'll require some sweat equity. And that's Surron, obviously. I meant the key ignition and voltmeter getting stuck to the bars. But speaking of things just happening that we wish wouldn't, this happened the other day. So obviously I'll be sticking to my upload schedule here, but the next few videos might take place inside. We'll see. A little boring compared to usual. Sorry. Thanks for bearing with me though. Anyway, back to the bars. So, this key ignition and voltmeter now belongs to these bars. And I don't foresee a situation where we'll want to use the stock RSF bars on anything else, but should we choose to, it has its own key ignition and voltmeter. Now, I'm not going to make you watch me take everything off these bars, but you are going to watch me put everything back on, the new ones, which are right here. Now, I wish Electro Co had offered me a replacement on that key ignition and voltmeter, but they didn't. It is what it is. $30, which, by the way, thank you, Haley, for the key ignition and the sticker. Now, I'm not too excited about getting back into these plastics, but it's just screws. It's part of the game. Remember, these things happen. That's where I'd like to keep it. Figure this isn't anything too exciting. I shouldn't have to go. Fun. Always a pain in the ass. This voltmeter, we're going to make sure we get it where we want it, out of the way of our knee. Know that it is a tiny, tiny size 2 Allen. And it does not take much force or pressure to get it on there tight. You'd almost think I was talking to myself after all the stuff I just went through with it. Wait, did I tighten up the right one? Yeah, I did, but why is it still janky? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's good. It's got a little bit of left to right, but it's better than stripping that bolt, honest to God. Brakes are a size 4. And we're at a 2.5 for the throttle and the other brake. And that is it, ladies and gents. I just got to pull that white thing off. Ooh, shiny. There we have it, folks. Amazon special. Apparently it's a brand called Rutu. But they're just the normal pit bike bars. And god dang, those things are long and obnoxious looking. We'll worry about wire management later. It should be good. Let's take it for a spin. Don't judge me, I gotta fix the skirting on my house. It's a problem around here, it happens. So, new bars. Now there's a few things I put on here, and I'm going to put on here that I didn't talk about or make you watch me install. Like this phone mount, for example. I've talked about it before, I believe in it. It's a little jiggly, so it's not good for filming, but it's never once dropped my phone, which is very expensive, I would be sad. And this GPS tachometer that'll show you your mile per hour. I do wish I'd thought better and found a better spot for it, but later. At least for now, it's keeping track of our mileage, and obviously it'll go right there. Third thing, the Moto front bag. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to put it up here where it fits better, but it'll hide this pit bike thing. Probably a good thing for riding on the street, but down here it sticks out a little bit, looks a little weird in my opinion. So yeah, let's go. Basically a full battery, 85.5 volts. Let's get it. Brakes first. They work. Yeah, they work. Front do too. They've been doing so much construction around my park here. Sucks. So these new bars, different feel. Holy crap. Like my knees are, the bars are out of the way of my knees finally. God, that's the biggest plus side, honestly. They sit a little bit taller. I'm imagining if you were like a wheelie master, that would be great. I am not. Little wheelies around here. Well, it hums though, guys. Of course it does. Nothing's changed in that department. So this is going to be a short one today, guys. It's like 50 degrees out. It is cold. Cold. 50 degrees. Freedom units, by the way. I don't know nothing about them communism units. Mode 1 too, by the way, guys. I don't really feel a need to do much else. Like 2's just if you're trying to see. Okay. Like, and 3's, I'm not gonna even lie to you, 3's overkill. Like they say it's tuned the way it's tuned, so can't quite be all on the battery, but got a big old battery in this kit, so. And this bike is so fun for just like cruising around, humming at like 20-30 miles an hour. Like you don't really want, I don't know, there's something about that like 50 mile, 60 mile an hour. Not that I've gone faster than like 50 on this, but there's something about it that feels super sketch unless you're one of those guys. Some people are like that. They're just like, listen, I want to go fast. I know what I want to do. Respect to y'all, because that's not me. I just like cruising. I'm also pretty old, guys, compared to a lot of you. Like, I don't know if y'all know that or not. I don't exactly talk about it, but listen to my voice and see my stature and know that I'm not 12. I'm not as young as most of you, let me put it that way. There are quite a few of you, though, surprise me every once in a while, that are older than me. So, like, I know I have years to go and I can hang if I treat my body right and make the right decisions. But that's the key. And staying in your lane. Like I said, I know I'm not a wheelie guy, so that's not exactly something I try and do left and right. You get what I mean? Oh, this is great though. A little Monday afternoon ride. Got the Sight Plus GPS on, keeping track of our mileage. You got some crazy looks on this thing, let me just say. And it's cold, folks, so these electric vehicles don't exactly operate in their best element when it's freezing cold like this. I mean, they're not going to work great in that Arizona, California heat either, but goddamn desert, Southern California. Arizona, I say Arizona because I've been out there. I haven't been to California, but I hope to. Maybe for one of these big ride outs. See, I'm gonna be careful here because not only is this where crews fell, but like once things are wet, it's slippery. Oh shit. Oh damn. I'll link to that video, and I hope y'all enjoyed the quick skit of it. I'm sure I'm gonna interrupt this footage with it. It was too comical not to. I mean, obviously when a friend crashes, you ask for permission. Cruz was like, hell yeah, you need to post that. Yeah, this thing wheelies so easy. Ridiculous. Oh, it is so cold out though, guys. I'm sorry for keeping this one short, but new bars it is. I approve. These are awesome. We're not hitting that big water puddle, that's for sure. Like I said, I love these bars. Oh, the higher position, so good. I feel like I have so much more leg room now, and I'm seated so much more properly. Oh, I hate that hill. Notice how I lean way forward? It's because I'm not comfortable with it. And it's just a hill. It's uphill. I'd rather go down it for some reason. But little known fact, TJ has a fear TJ has a fear of traveling. TJ has a fear of heights. Can't recommend it enough, guys. We might have to cut these. They are a little wide, but like I kind of like it, so I don't know. We'll see. Again, so much fun modding these toys, especially like I said at my age, because I'm no spring chicken anymore. I feel honored and blessed that y'all have put me in a position where I can do this. Oh, bump. Like, we just hit 1,000 subs, and I can't thank you guys enough, seriously. But yeah, with that being said, I wanted to take a moment and talk about this giveaway too. So, they are V1 starter casters, which means they will only work on a standard size crazy cart, and they are not rebuildable. I repeat, not rebuildable. But they're yours, and I'm giving them away to a subscriber. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down below on this video, and I will be choosing somebody from the comments to send those to. This is my first of hopefully many giveaways, so stay tuned. Oh god. Yeah. Too much fun. The new bars do make it easier to pop up. Again, I'm just not a wheelie master. But thank you guys so much for everything. The 1,000 subs, all the likes, the comments, the love, the follows on Instagram, everything. Don't forget, use discount code TJ Travels at checkout with Taxi Garage to save 5% off your total order. Such a blast. As always, thank you guys, and until next time. Oh, I'm running out of speed. Oh. Now this giveaway, one more time, just so we're clear. All I want you to do is be subscribed and leave a comment down below on this video. Leave the grocery cart emoji or mention the crazy carts or the caster giveaway in some way, just to let me know that's what you're here for and that's what you're interested in. Now we will get caught up, I know, I know, we're behind, badly. But we have a best of 2024 video coming for you. A new bike, more how-tos and repairs. I'd like to do some traveling this spring and summer, bring the karts and bikes out to some crazy places. That is what this channel is all about. That was the premise that started. We got more kart upgrades coming, more builds, and the RSF ain't done yet. Just in the other room, I have a spring, fork, drop pegs, and a new seat for that thing. Now, if you don't give a damn about my personal life, that's cool. Video's over. Seriously. It's okay. But this took forever to do, and that's because, as some of you know, I have a diabetic cat. It's just me and them. It's been that way for like 5 years now or so, so they're my best friends. They're important to me. I know somebody out there is going to be like, it's just a cat, but they're all I've got, okay? So, managing that is a task in itself, diabetes. I'm learning all about that as we go, but it's been a few years for Simon and I. But he recently got sick. So in and out of the vet's office, the, emergency room style, and eventually with a 5 or 6 day stay, I couldn't think straight. Like, I couldn't, in all good conscience, address you guys while my mind was doing stuff like that, because we didn't know what was going to happen, and I was really messed up about it. It really jacked me up. So, he's better now. He ended up with a feeding tube at one point, and luckily he got over that. He eats on his own now again, and he's happy. I'll attach some pictures above here. You all can see the process. I mean, it was rough, but here we are. He's better now. I'm back. We will get caught up. I'm so sorry, guys, but I still can't thank you enough, and can't believe what we've become. What's become of this channel. 1,000+ subs, which I plan to address in a post here on my community page very soon, as well as Instagram. Make sure to follow me there. But thank you all so much for everything. I can't believe we even did this, and I can't wait to see what else we do. Stay tuned. Seriously, guys, it's all for you.